Model, 2017 Peugeot Boxer 2.0 BLUEHDI 335L2H2 130 None has been removed. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 94,629. Engine, 1997cc DW10 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, non-runner. The engine has been removed and is in the back of the van. Everything is there. Nothing is missing. Might be worth repairing or easier to stick another engine in it, up to you. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 0 former keepers, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, air-con, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call